Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu Jain. In this video, we are discussing IBO02 International Marketing Management. And question number 5 we are discussing here. Before starting this, we are the company which is provide all the type of questions and solutions. And if you need help related to this course, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. You have to just upload your questions on our WhatsApp. We provide all the solutions at very minimum charges. So thank you so much. And now here we are, question number 5. Comment on the following statement. A is product planning is one of the important fundamental decisions for success or international marketing. Second, it is advisable for a small exporter to do export business with the help of an overseas agent. C is selection of target market is the first stage in international marketing, and fourth is international marketing planning is more difficult than domestic market planning. So if you need answer of these questions, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, so which we provide all the solutions in a day. Thank you so much.